what's going on? Nice to see you guys. Nice. Sorry, can't even talk. But yes, been a minute. Integra's still down, and it's been probably about 2-3 weeks since it's been down now. But no, we're definitely making some progress. Right now, we actually took we put a B20 in the Integra for now, and we're gonna make one transmission out of two. So I got two B16 transmission. One has second gear that is bad. One has third gear that's bad. So putting both together with the parts that are good should make a complete B16 transmission for the Integra. But yeah, no, we were talking about the Integra smoking out because piston rings are going out. So over here at my brother from another mother, Royce, aka Twitch Built. This is a B20 is gonna be going in there. We just literally took it apart and we got pistons sitting on diesel to clean them up a little bit better. But we're gonna leave that overnight. Tomorrow we're gonna be coming back here and continue doing this. Meanwhile, he's been working on his Integra 2. And the engine that I showed last time, that's what's going on in here. But yeah, no. Whoever had this before him painted the engine bay. But it seems like they put a bag over everything that wasn't visible. And painted everything that was visible. But yeah, no, he's going to be repainting this. Or my brother's going to be repainting this. He's getting it ready. He's already doing wire tuck and everything for it. But yeah, no, definitely excited for him. It's been maybe about 4 years since this car's been down, so definitely excited for that. And putting a B20, I want to boost the B20, but he said no until I get the Civic running. But yeah, no, we're doing piston rings on this thing, crank and connecting rod bearing rings, bearings, and then check the oil pump. It was good. Got a new water pump for it too, tensioner, and I believe I have a belt. I'm not so sure. I can't remember. It's been a while since I got parts for everything I have. But yeah, no. We're gonna be dropping a B20 in there with a B16 transmission and the Integra, so that'll be that. Hopefully, I did not trash the GSR transmission, because the GSR transmission, as I said before, that is for the Civic. The GSR transmission, I specifically got it for the Civic about 8-10 years ago. And the last thing I want for it to do is be trashed out to where it's not useful anymore. Because depending on how bad it is inside, I will be probably better off buying a different transmission. Hopefully find another GSR. But hopefully it's not too trashed out to where it's something that could be easily bought and not as much as buying another transmission though. But yeah, no, that's for that. For tonight, that's gonna be it. I will be putting more. I will record more. I couldn't record this. We're just trying to get it done right now, since we've been running around and we just want to get this thing done. So there's that. But you know, definitely progress on this, and I still need to finish editing that one video. I started, I didn't finish it. I did quit my 8 to 5. And right now I've been doing Uber Eats, so I've been kind of just busy everywhere. And there's certain dead hours for Uber, so this is the time that I probably go back home and get something to eat and then head back to road. But yeah, no, there's that. I should be starting my next job here soon, my new 8 to 5. But right now, in between jobs, right now I'm just doing Uber right now. But he's been busy with his Dosol too. As you can see, he's been busy with his Integra. And took this for a drive today, and yes, this is a legit Type R, and yes, right-hand drive from Japan. People hate on the kit, but I love it. I love it. I definitely love it, and drives fine. It is actually pretty damn good, if I'm being honest. But yeah, no, he's got this for sale too. He's trying to sell it. Asking 25 for it, 25,000 for it, I should say. He's trying to get me into this. And he's trying to get me out of my Integra. But it has no sunroof. I don't. It's got no sunroof. The Type R's don't come with a sunroof. Same as the GS. That's why I don't really care for those chassis. I mean, it's a Type R. I get it, but if it came down to it, I think I'd take a GSR over it. GSR LS, just because of the sunroof. That's the only selling point on those ones for me, is the sunroof. Same thing for hatchback and Civic. He got me out of my old Civic, my Accord, and because I told him the only way you get me out of my hatchback personally, my personal hatchback, is if you get me into an SI hatchback because of a sunroof. So yeah, no, he's trying to get me into that, but I love it. I like it, dude. It feels so good. It sounds so good, but no, I'm not getting into that. I like my LS, so no, I'm not getting rid of my Techie. Not getting rid of my Techie for that. Like I said, I love it, but I can't. I like the sunroof. But yeah, no. If you're in Arizona, you see this car up for sale on like Facebook Messenger, or not Facebook Messenger, but Facebook Marketplace, where if you see it, like I think you put it on offer up as well. It is very worth. It is so worth it. I mean, the kit themselves, the body kit themselves. I know not a lot of people are big into body kits, or some of you guys are, but don't admit to it, and you just want to be cheaper and not want to pay for it. Like that kit itself is about $3,000. The wheels themselves are about $2,000. They're actually legit wheels too. And the interior is stupid clean. It is stupid clean. Everything's complete inside. Engine and transmission, everything inside there. Even the airbox is still stock. It's still stock OEM parts in there. So everything, and this chassis is completely stock. The only thing he's done to it, he personally has done to this, is suspension. The suspension it came with was blown out. So he put suspension on there and changed a couple things that need to be swapped out. And it handles, it drives, and it just looks good all the way around. So if you see it, and there's some places that do personal loans, so you could actually do that too. But yeah, no, if you see it and you're looking for something like a right-hand drive clean Type R, hit him up on like I say, if you see it in offer up, or if you see it on Facebook Marketplace, hit him up. The car is running really good. He asked me if I want to drive it. I said no. I don't want to be behind the wheel. Something else happens to it. So he's afraid of driving around. But we took it around. We took it out to Peoria and back to Avondale, and dude, it drives well. Like, part of me kinda would like to trade it or sell my Integra and get this, but no. I'm not selling mine. But yeah, no, that's enough for me talking. That's already 8 minutes into this thing. Holy shit, dude. Yeah, no, but thank you guys for watching, and I'll post the next video, or I should be working on the next video. By the time you guys see this, I'm pretty sure you'll see me mumbling about posting the next video, whatever, right? But yeah, no, that's it for today. I will be recording more tomorrow. I'm hoping to get here tomorrow, depending on what time it is, because I do have to get my son from school. But yeah, no. See you in the next one. Hey, what's going on? So, day 2 of this, and my friend Sam I actually went over to his house this morning to drop off some parts for his Eclipse, and he's stoked about that. But he let me borrow something that is his, that he uses a lot for his drift cars. He's like, go ahead, use it. Let me just let's see if you can have some fun with it, and try a different thing for him, just using it as his drift car. So I went ahead and borrowed it. And this little guy, it's a go-to, it's like a little recording camera, but I'm gonna try it for the first time, see how that goes. Yeah, he let me borrow like a chest piece and everything like that too, but it's kind of cool how it's got his own little stand. You can take the little camera out of the little case, and it has like 15 minutes of recording battery time. But yeah, no, I'm gonna mess around with this for a little bit. And yeah, no, I did not get to record anything yesterday for dismantling the bottom end of the block, but my phone was at 15% too, so there's that. But yeah, no, we're over here. I got the oil pan gasket, and I got some other like bearings that I needed, so there's that. But yeah, no, let me mess around with this thing, and let me go wake up Royce real quick, and let's get this day rolling. All right, so yeah, there we go. Right now I had the camera on the dashboard itself, and yeah, no, so don't know sound quality though, we'll see. Usually I'm used to using my phone only, but let's try this out. Like I said, I'm already at Rose's house, and just trying to do this real quick. Neat little thing about this little camera too, when you do take it out, it's magnetic, so I could literally attach it to anything on the car, and that's pretty cool. Like, I could just put it like on top of the side of the car or whatever, or like if I'm working under the hood, attach it to the hood, get like an upward kind of angle. But yeah, no. We'll see right now how it goes. But I'm telling you, man, I'm telling you, this Integra is the cleanest thing. Super clean. I'm telling you, don't slack on it. It's got it up for $25,000. Anybody interested? It's really, it really does handles well. But yeah, no, let's go bother Royce. It's pretty neat, I gotta say. It's got the little legs. You just open it up and you can stand it, or do that. No, it's closed. What's up?
I said all the oil reliefs are opened on this side. Do you mind not putting that in my fucking nose?
Fixing it all, dude. You gotta get all shaky when you don't need and stuff like that. Yeah, so no done. Did not get done today with engine parts. So far right now we're cleaning some parts, and there's a lot of gunk between those and those channels for the piston rings themselves. And yeah, no, so I couldn't get to finish or stay any later. I had to pick up my son from school, and so there's that. So tomorrow, as soon as he goes to school, I'm gonna keep going doing that again after I do a little bit of work while Royce wakes up again. But yeah, no, B20 is just getting stock piston rings back on, stock pistons, everything's gonna be stock, just a rebuilt stock B20, and we still got parts for the transmission to get done too. So that'll be it for this video, and then I have to record again, make some space on my phone, of course, and I gotta see how the footage came out on the camera too. So Thank you guys for watching. Catch you in the next one.